Hi, I'm Sherry. Today I will show you some steamed buns with a special filling inside of it. They are nettles. During the time of lockdown, we usually hike in the nearest forest, so we have come across so many wild edible vegetables and berries. And nettles are so tasty and nutritious, and I highly recommend it to you to have a go with your daily recipes. Remember to wear gloves when you pick and wash them. Rub and wash, then the nettles would not hurt you again. As a normal Chinese pastry, the steamed buns are not so hard to make, since I never made them before I moved to Ireland, so you can trust me, they are not so hard. If I can, then you can as well. The ingredients of the dough are simple. Just mix them into a dough, then rest for 15 minutes at a room temperature. After that, you can find it is very easy to knead a smooth dough. Then let the dough poof until double-sized. Scatter some flour and press to release the air inside of the dough. Just use your hands. Use your hands and turn the big dough into small buns dough. You can fill every bun size by this method. Shape each buns to a smooth surface. The next step is also very important, that is to rest the buns dough again. Let them rest, which makes them easy to be shaped later. At the same time, we can make the nettles fillings. All the ingredients of fillings are easy to find. Stir the mince with water. Remember to add water gradually until the filling moisture mixed. Boil the water and simmer the nettles for just 1 minute or until softened. Soak into the ice water as soon as possible to keep its green color. Chop and stir with the fillings well combined. At last, I add some sesame oil and soy sauce. They are totally optional. If you don't have them, it is okay. Just add a little bit more salt. You can keep it easy and simple and still delicious. I have shown you how to make dumplings wrappers, and today's wrappers are very similar. The point to make a puff bun wrapper is to rest the buns entirely. Then they would be very easy to roll like this. The more time for them rest, the easier for you to make. Okay, some people think pleating a buns wrapper is hard. The best advice I can give you is just remember never move your thumb until you finish all the pleats, and meet the first pleat to the last pleat and press tight. Let the buns poof to double size in the steamer. Steam them under boiling water. Although I know nettles are edible and very healthy, I have never tried before this year, and I have never imagined that in 2020 I would have had so many of them, and other wild plants as well. I am Sherry. I will show you more recipes, and if you like my videos, please thumbs up and leave a comment to encourage me to make more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.